Yes, good day, guys. It's another wonderful time again. I remain your humble host, tutor, please. Okay, so if you are following our former classes, we discussed about machine, type of machine, and since then we have been dealing with some calculation on type of machine. We've done for pulley, we've done for inclined plane, and I told you if you have any question, please try to enter into my DM. And thanks for those who have been asking questions. Okay, so one of the very important this is one of the very important questions on that machine, which is under screw. So let's see this and let's discuss about it. Okay, thank you. So as you can see that these are WAEC questions. This is WAEC questions. We treat WAEC, Jamb, and all those questions. So this question says that the pitch of a screw jack is 0.5 centimeter. The arm is 50 centimeter long, and its mechanical advantage is what? 250. Now they said that what is the efficiency, or what is its efficiency? You have to leave your answer in terms of pi. So how do we result leaving our science at pi? Okay, and if you can recall from our previous classes, I told you the difference between these machines is what? Is their VR, which is their velocity ratio. The velocity ratio of pulley is derived from the velocity ratio of inclined plane, and the velocity ratio of pulley and inclined plane is totally different from the velocity ratio of screw. What do you mean by screw? We all know screw now that we used to know. Let's assume this is a screw. Please don't mind my drawing. Just want to show you something. So let's assume this is a screw. Okay, you know every screw we have what you know as teeth. Okay, for every screw we have what you know as teeth. Okay, so let's assume these are the teeth of the screw. These three segments are the teeth of the screw. Okay, so these are the screw we have. So what is the velocity ratio of a screw? The velocity ratio of a screw is 2 pi small r over what? Over p. 2 pi r over p. This r stands for our radius, and this p stands for the pitch. What is the meaning of pitch? The pitch is the distance between the two thread of the screw. This first thread and this second thread. The distance between them is known as the pitch. PTCH. Okay? It's known as what? As our P. Okay? So there's more to that, and if you want us to touch it, you can show your interest on the comment section. Okay? So quick one, let's discuss this. So we have what are the things given in the question? I think from the question we have the pitch of the screw is so good. Our pitch is given, which is our P, which is what? Is 0.5 centimeter, right? So our the arm is what? The arm, which is also known as the radius. Yes, that arm is called the arm or the radius, which is 50 centimeter is given. So our MA, what's our MA? Is our MA given? The mechanical advantage? Yes, is given. Which is our MA, which is what? Which is 250. Okay? So now, we have to calculate the efficiency of this screw machine. So now we all know that our VR for this is 2 pi r over pitch. This is over p, which is giving us what? 2 times pi times 50 over, what's the pitch given? 0.5, right? So this is this. This is this. So if we solve this, or we can just leave it this way, because we asked to leave our answer in pi. Okay, so just know that our VR is given as this. Okay, good. So our efficiency now will now be MA over VR. MA over VR. So times 100, right? So that will give us what's our MA now? MA is 250 over all this. Okay, that means all this. That will be 2 pi times 50 over 0.5 times 100. Okay, so for us to get this now, you see the same thing by saying that 0.5 times 250 over 2 pi times 50. I hope you know that. It's just simple mathematics times 100. So if you multiply this together, and this will result to us having 125 over pi percent. Don't forget the unit for our efficiency is in what? Is in percentage. So you get this. Thank you so much. Join us for more classes and stay tuned. Thank you.